Wohnung von Belle und Beast. Das Woodland-Gebäude. Mittag.
You didn't want to tell me what you were into
With
either.
good reason. Look what happened.
So that's back on me now. I thought we agreed that was settled.
You said it was settled. That doesn't
Ich
mean I
lausche.
have to agree to it.
And when were you going to tell me? Or were you just going to keep that a secret too?
You know what it was. You know what was going on, Beast. I had to get a job, and you wouldn't have it. Don't make it into something it wasn't.
It's the principle of it.
Don't act like you weren't keeping secrets too.
If you're going to bring up ancient history, I don't have to stand here and listen to it.
Fine.
geht er
Go
gleich?
off in a huff.
Also,
I'm through talking anyway.
okay, mir warte noch ein bisschen, dass es nicht so, dass die nicht denken, mir hätte es mit A gehört. Okay, guten Tag, ihr Leid. Weiter geht's mit The Wolf Among Us. Wir sind in der Episode 4 von The Wolf Among Us und zwar bei der zweiten Folge. Das ist für euch, ich tue ja die Folge als Gesamtes rechnen, die 11. Folge. So, wir sind im Endspurt. Insgesamt gibt es, glaube ich, nur 5 Episoden. Also gibt es 5 Episoden von Wolf Among Us in der ersten Staffel. Jetzt wird die Staffel jetzt angekündigt, aber noch nicht da. Ah, das war ein langer Satz. So, jetzt haben wir genug über Fußmassage geredet. Ich glaube mal. Ja, hofft, es geht ein freundlicher Kollege. Da könnte man ja denken, hier, da steht der große böse Wolf vor der Tier. Also so hätte ich aber auch die Tier aufgemacht, wenn der klopft
What do
wie
you
ihre.
want? Well, you're just going around knocking on doors?
You called, right? Or, was it Beauty?
Why would I call you?
Alter.
Listen, I've had a shitty
You
night,
think you're the only one?
and I really don't want to deal with the runaround. Snow said you called and wanted to talk to me.
Well, I didn't call. Must have been Beauty. She's been
Wow.
surprising me a lot lately.
Can I?
So
Yeah.
have you, Bigby. Yet, with all the sneaking around and secrets, somehow I'm still the bad guy in this. I had to hear about it all night long from her.
Who is it? Who's there?
Are you gonna let me in or what?
Freundlich froh. Bell hat ja gesagt, dass
It's your
Beast
pal,
ein stolzer
Bigby.
Mann ist und
Hi, Bigby.
wie er wohl
Please
darauf
excuse us for
reagieren
just a
wird,
minute.
wenn er erfahrt, dass die Frau
Can I
arbeiten
talk to
muss
you
und
in
er, weil
private?
er nicht vor der
Yes,
Unterhaltssäule kann, weißt du?
let's.
Und er schafft schon 3 Jobs oder sowas, weißt du? Okay, jetzt habe ich ihn aufgepasst. Okay. Wie, lass mich jetzt hier allein? Boah, Alter, aber krasses Zimmerchen.
I guess I really do have the smallest
Aber
apartment
echt,
in the woodlands.
aber echt, hey.
I already told you you're going to make a problem out of
Lass
it.
mal gucken.
Here, we don't need to bring him into this.
Beast.
Okay,
I just
ich,
don't think we can trust him. Not after the
Guck
way
mal,
he
ein bisschen
went
hier.
behind my back. And then you run and call him again?
Well,
Gutes
I
Holz,
trust
ne?
him.
Of course you do. He was keeping secrets
Äh,
for you.
It was
Gemälde
one
betrachten.
little thing.
Talk about living in the
Do you
past.
wanna keep fighting about that, or do you want to
So.
try to sort this
Guck mal
out?
hier.
All I'm saying is we can
Urne?
handle this on our
Wieso
own.
deine
We didn't
Urne?
have to bring him here.
We're out of money and answers. That's what I
Vorsicht,
call.
Vorsicht, 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 Vorsicht.
We'll
So.
finish this later. But
Hanna,
we
Hanna
need
jetzt
to
genug
talk to
berät, was los ist? Was soll ich denn hier machen?
If you want to talk, we'll talk.
Ich guck schon ein bisschen um. Der Wisch jetzt hat. Oh, da ist noch eine Lampe.
Sorry, it's been a long night.
Yeah, you know what they say. Centuries of marriage come with centuries of baggage.
Yes.
I gotta
ja.
say,
Okay.
your place, it looks, expensive.
What do you mean by that?
Beast!
No, really, I want to know. What are you trying to say, huh?
I thought you were having
Ich-
money
einfach mal
problems,
direkt
but it doesn't look
nehmen.
like you're suffering to me. Is this something about that loan you took out? From the crooked man?
Einfach mal direkt
I didn't know what else to
angesprochen.
do,
We
so
should deal with this on our own. Bigby's just going to complicate
I
things.
called him here, and I want to see if he can help us out. Why are you being like this?
I'm just trying to do what's best for us. That's all I ever do.
Alter!
Look, I'm not here to referee. You called me, okay? So cut the bullshit and quit wasting my time.
I gotta know one thing first. What if we did have something to say about the Crooked Man? What if we talk and you don't get him? And all this comes back on us? We'd be risking a lot. We've seen what happens when you cross the Crooked Man. And I don't know if it's worth it. if you can't give us certain assurances.
You are in danger. You two need to cooperate so I can get the crooked man off the street. You don't want to be next. But if you'd rather deal with this on your own,
No, please don't.
then tell me what the fuck is going on. You're in so much debt? Look around you. This isn't the way people short on cash live.
Wie viel haben sie dann
We're used to
aufgenommen?
a certain kind of lifestyle, okay? We couldn't just give that up.
We never meant for it to get like this. It's just that we had nowhere else to turn, and we got in over our heads.
There's not a lot of work out there. Who would we be if we just lived like...
Ja, wie ich. Das Telefon bimmelt. Meinst du, Crooked Man ist einmal ein Problem? Dann weiß er nämlich, dass ich hier bin.
Hi there, you've reached Beauty. And Beast. And we're out doing something fabulous.
let me just,
A day at the beach?
Skiing the slopes?
Are you
And
gonna
we
get
can't
that?
come to the phone right now, so leave a message at the beep and we'll get back to you as soon as...
Scheiße, ich hätte abhalten sollen, dann hätte ich gehört, was
What the fuck was that?
gesagt wird.
don't worry about it.
Shit.
Probably just a wrong number. Really?
Who was that? You know who that was. Don't hold out on me.
We've been getting horrible phone calls. It's the Crooked Man's people, trying to collect, and we aren't safe, even in our own home.
We owe some money.
Wie viel?
Finally. All I care
Wahrscheinlich
about
sehr
is
viel.
how can I find the Crooked Man? Who do I talk to? Where do I go?
Wie sind denn eigentlich an Denne gerot? Also an Crooked Man.
The Lucky Pawn. That's where I borrowed the money.
Das habe ich
The
schon mal
Crooked
gehört,
Man's
Lucky
behind
Pawn.
that place.
Das ist ein Pawnshop.
I'd overheard people
Geiler
talking to
Name
Jersey
übrigens.
about
Lucky
loans
Pawn.
before.
Naja.
So, when I needed money, that's where I went. I didn't know what to do.
Wait, who do you deal with?
Jersey. You know, the Jersey
Alter.
Devil.
Oh yeah, that slimy prick. I didn't realize he was back on this side of the river.
And those Tweedles were always going in and out. Probably dropping off a loan payment they squeezed out of some poor fable.
Ja.
But never the Crooked Man. Mainly it's just regular fables. I can see now that it was a mistake, but I'm not the only one who goes there, you know. I saw the Woodsman's axe there just the other day. It was in a display case.
I guess he's hit hard times too. There's a lot of that going around.
Daher hat
Bloody Mary
hat
must
Bloody
go
Mary
through
die
there.
Axt.
She had Woody's axe last night. Tried to chop my damn head off with it.
Maybe if you go there, you can sort some things out.
I guess I'll go check out the Lucky Pawn.
Hatte Woody
If I
seine
can't
Axt
track down
hier
the Crooked
gebrungen,
Man there,
Kohle zu
I can
kriegen?
make enough noise that the Crooked Man will come find me.
Hold on, Bigby, don't go there. Sounds like you're just going to get Beauty in trouble. And
Ja, und? Hast du auch Geld
you know
aufgenommen?
that butcher shop, the cut above?
Cut above?
It's the place on Tubman Street. Same block as the baker and the candlestick maker. Well, I've been delivering packages from there for a while. The thing is, it's for the Crooked Man. And I don't think it's meat in the packages. You gotta understand, I needed work.
Well, what are you delivering? What's going on there? How does this fit into the Crooked Man's operation?
I couldn't tell you, but I do know this. It's the only meat market in town that doesn't carry filet. I'm not sure how much actual butchery goes on there.
How did you get involved with this?
Johann the butcher called. He had a problem
Johann.
with the refrigeration unit one night. But when I finished, it was your pal Mary who showed up to pay me. She said I was reliable. She liked that. And it's the only thing I've been able to pick up, and it's still not enough. I don't want Beauty to have to work, especially not where she was.
So you do their dirty work and look the other way.
Work is work. All I do is deliver stuff. I just wanted to provide for Beauty, give her the kind of life she deserves.
We shouldn't have to live like this, scraping to get by.
None of us should. We were royalty once. We were accustomed to a certain lifestyle. All we want is to make this place feel a little bit like home. You wouldn't understand, Bigby.
Ja, genau. Du warst schon immer scheiße, ne? Das will er damit sagen.
There are a lot of fables who have it a lot worse off than you. Or me, for that matter.
So, where are you going? If this all goes sideways, I'd like to know where it's coming from.
Okay, er dreht sich wieder weg. Jetzt habe ich bestimmt wieder so die Auswahl, oder? Ah ja, klar. Jewelry. Metzgerei, Lucky Pawn. Ich gehe ins Lucky Pawn.
The Lucky Pawn. That's where I borrowed the money. The Crooked Man's behind.
You know that butcher shop, the cut above? The thing is, I don't think it's meat in the packages. You know that?
The Lucky Pawn.
Nein, wir gehen ins Lucky
That's where I...
Pawn.
I'm
So.
going to the Lucky Pawn. There's too much going on there to ignore. I'll have a word or two with Jersey.
You know,
Jersey
Bigby,
Devil.
once you
Ey,
show
es
your
ist-
face there, word is going to get out. There may be nothing left to see if you go to the butcher shop after.
Well, I guess I'll find out.
Wait, I don't know what you're planning to do when you find the Crooked Man, but is there any way you could help us out?
Meinst du jetzt Kohle von mir oder was?
Well, maybe you can make this all just go away.
What?
We would really appreciate it. What do you say?
Can you help us out?
I don't
Gleiche
go
keine
around
Schuld.
fixing debts. Lucky for you, what I am gonna do might just fix it anyway.
Just keep us in mind, please.
I'm sure you'll do the right thing.
Alter. Hey, ja, ne? Ich verstehe schon. Ja, natürlich sind die gewisser Standard gewöhnt. Und für die so tief zu
No, it's
fallen.
not.
It looks like you slept in it. In a pile of garbage.
Jack, why are you... I've seen you
Lucky
take a
Pawn,
torn
die
purse for a
Prongs.
tenner.
Yeah, but I also got her phone number. I don't want your phone number.
Der schafft im Lucky
Really?
Pawn.
What?
Bigby's here.
Why are you never glamored, Toad? Why is it so hard to just follow the rules?
Look, I know some fables can switch from man to beast and back again, like changing shirts. But it's not so easy for the rest of us to look human, alright? And anyways, I'm getting the money right now.
I'm not taking the coat.
But it's magic!
So?
And it'd be covering a check I already wrote.
Okay, well, that sounds like a your problem to me.
Yeah, it is. And so I came here to sell it off.
Hey, wait a minute, that's Faith's code.
It was face coat. Look, you left it in my place. What do you expect me to do?
Yes, I think the off-cited statute of Finders Keepers clearly states that it's his now, Bigby.
Also,
So what's it gonna be?
I don't know what to tell you. See if Cindy needs a coat. I don't know.
This is to pay for those bloody glamours, you know.
Welchen
You and
Head?
your blinkered rules. If the witches didn't charge so fucking much, I wouldn't have to be in here dealing with this nonsense.
You know, maybe Snow can help you out.
How could Snow help me out?
Give you an advance. A loan or something. She's kind of in charge of the business office now.
Well, the last guy who was in charge didn't help us much, so forgive me if I don't expect anything different now.
I don't know what you're getting so steamed about. Shouldn't be that big of a shock that I'm not gonna take an ass hair coat.
No, I guess it shouldn't be, since this whole bleeding operation's just a setup for one of his shady fucking loans.
Ixnay on the onlays, okay, Og Frey?
I mean, what kind of a game are you running here? You
Toad?
turn down people's stuff so you can peddle his shit?
I know who you're talking about.
Og Frey?
The Crooked Man, right? This is his place. Those are his loans.
Well, I'll leave it to your business. I'm sure you'll have a lot to talk
Der macht sich immer
about.
gleich aus dem Staub. Der
Good luck
weiß,
with
jetzt
that
wird's gleich
glamour,
eklig.
Toad.
Fuck off.
Leave the code.
Ich mag den Toad.
How the hell do you expect me to get a glamour then? It's not like I've got a lot of options, you know.
Ja, doch, ich hab da Geld gegeben.
I'll
Ich
give you
mein-
some money, all right?
You've gotta be kidding me.
Do you even know how much a glamour costs?
Ich muss ihn selber nehmen.
Never had to buy one.
Wieso?
Keep
Wieso
your
nicht?
money, Sheriff. I've no patience for charity.
Das wäre eh nicht mal Geld
If you're
gewesen.
gonna be out like this, can't you at least wear a bigger hat?
You know, it's getting old to tell the difference.
Between what?
between the business office and fables like a crooked man, who you purportedly seek to protect us from. Either way, I'm getting screwed.
Drop
Dann
by
nimmt der Mandel wieder
anytime.
mit, oder?
Believe me, Toad. You can always go to the farm.
He really grows on you.
Yep, ich mag Nase, ja. Okay.
Look, I work here sometimes for the extra cash. It's something stable. You know, between more entrepreneurial bouts. And before you ask, I've never seen the Crooked Man in here. Neither hide nor hair and all that. In fact, as far as I can tell, he's never even actually stepped foot in here.
But Bloody Mary works for him. And the last time I saw her, she had the woodsman's axe.
So?
So the last time anybody else saw that axe, it was here.
We'd never take something like that.
Was dürft ihr nicht annehmen?
Is this really why you came down here? The woodsman's axe?
I'll be asking the questions here,
Ich gehe nicht
Jack.
auf deine
Okay,
Frage
fine.
in. Fertig.
Fire away. Because I'm not a mind reader. And unless it's bar trivia, I don't think I can help much anyway.
Tell me about these loans. How do they work? Who collects?
Look, people get desperate, and when you're drowning, anything that isn't sinking along with you looks like a life raft. The Crooked Man gives, and he wants things in return. And when you don't pay up, bad stuff happens. Why do you think I've never taken one? A little credit card fraud never hurt anybody. I should know.
What kind of things does he want in return?
Could be anything, from the loan plus interest, family heirlooms, to novelties
Neuheiten
of a more
exotischer Natur.
exotic nature.
Like?
Ja.
Magic, memories, parts of you.
Körperteile.
It's bad. Listen, I gotta start closing up shop, so,
Close. It's the middle of the day.
what can I say? Jersey likes to run at odd hours. And really, he'd be the one to talk to, so can't you just swing by later? It really wouldn't be good for me if he sees your face when he walks in. So,
I want to check stuff out here
Ich würde nicht so
first.
gerne über Jersey froh,
This is a
aber
Crooked Man place. Maybe something here will help me find him.
can't you
Shut
just...
up, Jack. If the Jersey Devil isn't here to answer my questions, it also means he isn't here to get in my way. So I'm gonna take a look around, as long as I've got the elbow room.
All right. Don't let me get in your way.
I won't.
okay. Steff gut untersuche. Was haben wir dann hier? Schaukasten. Schaukasten. Nadelkissen? Wieso? Okay, wieso steht da überall Schaukasten und da Nadelkissen? Okay, da steht da Kristallkugel. So, jetzt erstmal, ne? Ich habe gemeint, Fables ist halt, ne? Es tut halt Fabelwesen so behandeln. Also, ja, Schneewittche, die 7 Zwerge, der große böse Wolf, sowas. Aber jetzt kommen halt auch noch neuere Sachen rein, wie halt, Bloody Mary ist halt kein Märchen oder so. Und auch keine Fabel. Ich weiß nicht, dass bei Bloody Mary irgendein Tier gerettet hat. Jersey Devil. So, ich guck mir jetzt mal, wenn man das als erstes ins Auge stoche ist, gucken wir mal das Nudelkissen da an. Enchanted Needle
Fire
to not
Rose.
handle
You're
without
not
clothes.
touching anything, are you? Oh,
schon nicht.
okay then.
Okay. Huch, neuer Eintrag. Ist das, wo sich es, was war das? War ein Röschen gestochert? Die mit der Spindel oder war das Schneewittchen? Ach, ich weiß nicht. Eine Urne.
Hey, look with your eyes.
Hey,
not
sag mal,
your hands,
du der
okay?
Urne immer so anfasse? Schaukasten, was haben wir dann hier? Horn- und Dartpfeile? Das sagt mir jetzt halt nix. Das ist der Top Prices für Gold und Silber. So blöder Fusch, der du bestimmt Dinge. Fischfiend? Oder war das Friend? Ja, das ist der Butje in der See? Schaukasten. Haben wir denn schon? Nee, Ringe. Noch mehr Ringe. Ring. Armreif. Ring. Ring. Schaukasten untersuchen. Oh, da hinten ist wieder so Recent Acquisition. Was ist denn das? Cleaving Axe. Previous Owner, the Woodsman. Ah, guck mal da,
You
die
said
Axt.
You'd never take something like this.
What? I don't,
Jack?
yeah?
When was Mary here?
Was who here?
Bloody Mary. Because the axe was here, but it's gone. and she had it. So she was here.
I don't know anything about that. I don't, really. I mean, I don't work every day, so... and even when I do work, I just try to keep my head down.
Last chance. What happened to the axe?
Ich muss mich ein bisschen schonen, sonst hätte ich ihn nämlich direkt in ihn gehauen.
That's all you know? You don't know she almost fucking killed me with it last night?
No, I had no goddamn idea. She sometimes comes in to pick up shit.
Why'd she take it? Just to fuck with me?
You think I'm crazy enough to ask her that? I'm not sticking my foot in that lawnmower, thank you.
Guter
For your
Grund.
sake, you better think of something to tell me.
That's all I can tell you. I'm being straight here. I'm just part-time. I mean, it's Jersey who's the one who's into this stuff. He's one of the Crooked Man's boys, okay? And it'd be great if he was here to tell you all this, but he's not. So just...
Jersey, don't give me that shit. What the fuck is the point of having a system if you're just gonna...
That's my fucking system.
But
you're
the guy who makes sure
I'm
that...
the guy that keeps shit in order, and that's it, Woody. Who closed the fucking gate? Jack?
Alter, guck danach.
If you love your ex so
Rothaarig,
fucking much, why'd you pawn it in
Schnurri,
the first fucking
blödi,
place, huh?
gespichelte
I
Sonnebrille.
didn't pawn it, asshole.
Jesus,
It was
ne.
stolen from my apartment. And Gren said that he saw it here. Now tell me where it is right fucking now.
I think while tempers are running high.
It's Jersey, right? Jersey Devil?
Christ. And this fucking guy, too?
Bigby?
Is his axe even here?
Nope, it isn't.
Just like I said, it's not here.
Aber sie
Happy?
war hier. Okay, also er hat sie
And
nicht
you,
verkauft.
I can't believe you'd even show your face in here. After what you did to our guy, Tweedledum? So tell me what you're here for, or get the fuck out.
He wanted to know where...
Actually, you know what? I don't care what he wanted.
Wait, we're not finished yet.
You're dealing with me now, okay? And until I give you permission, you're not gonna do anything but answer my questions.
How's your arm? Bloody Mary leaves a bit of a stink,
Oh,
don't she?
weiß davon, ja?
Jack, did you know that as of this very morning, Bigby's joined the Crooked Man's obedience school for wayward fucking creatures? He's already passed his first class. You see, the sheriff had who he stupidly thought was the murderer. Been chasing him for
Woody
fucking
guckt
days,
sich grad
right?
der
But
merkt
the
grad
Crooked
selbst, dass
Man
Axel
snapped
war,
his
glaub
bony
ich.
fingers. And Bigby handed him over, just like that.
Nicht an den Finger.
I'm, just gonna, let you two, you know.
Tell me everything you know right now about the murders and the Crooked Man.
Verpiss dich, Moschee. Aha, er
Are you
sieht gerade, dass er
kidding me?
Axto
It
war.
was here. It was right fucking here. What did you do with it?
How the fuck do I know?
Listen, you bald little dipshit. You're
Finde ich eigentlich gut, dass der Wood...
You piece of shit.
Das... Nö. Ja? Dass der Woody da ist, weil der hilft mir nämlich. Ich muss mich ein
I
bisschen
didn't
schonen.
expect to see you upright. Still looking for whoever killed them hookers? Or are you done chasing your tail?
Where's my axe? Who'd you give it to?
You follow me here all the way
Wirklich.
from Battery fucking Park?
Alter.
That's it? You talk big. But I don't think you got the stones to back it up. Still a
Ei!
little sore, are we? Why should Mary get all the fun? You ain't so tough. This ain't gonna go like it went with... Ah! You fucking mother...
Nudelkissen soll man nicht ohne Handschuhe gucken. Aua.
Fucker!
Noch einmal. Ei! Ei!
This is my fucking fight.
Ach, Woody!
You got a lot of nerve.
Woody! Ah, shit. Okay, jetzt ist es unser Kampf. Okay, vielleicht noch nicht. Hopp, es geht jetzt. Oh. Hey, ist du meine Axt? Nicht meine Axt, sei Axt.
Too bad you couldn't protect those whores.
Go on! Try to stop!
Mach ich.
Fucking stay down. There she is.
Komm, da geht noch. Hopp, komm, da geht noch. Und noch ein... Ey, oh shit, so war das nicht geplant. So war das nicht geplant. Okay. Nix da. Nix da. stehe ich jetzt platt drauf. Alter, hat der aber ein knorrischer Kopf, ey. Raus damit. Mann, ey. Ah, diesmal habe ich den richtig knapp erwischt. Noch einmal. Willst du noch? Da. Alter. Okay, Woody, ich kann so langsam unter Hilfe gebrauchen. Wie lang kannst du dauern, diese verkackte Axt zu holen? Daneben. Woody! Woody, da üben steht, er macht nix.
Hey, assholes. I found her.
Geht doch. Ah, shit. Komm mal her. Alter! Noch einmal, die Axt ist noch nicht richtig drin. Ich bin mir ziemlich sicher, dass das nicht gut für meine heilende Wunde ist.
So, wanna try again?
You can't find a crooked man. No one can. There's no address, no place. He lives in the bends and forks of tree roots, behind the sun, in the...
Weiß nicht, muss ich an Wegkreuzungen irgendwas vergraben oder so, dass er auftaucht?
Oh, the door to his house. It bounces around. Never in one spot. You'll never find it. Even Crane had to use the magic mirror. That fucking guy. Oh, mirror.
Okay, that's Crane's way. How do you contact him?
Oh, I don't. He uses couriers for everything. Ravens, goblins, the fucking Tweedles. Whatever. I go in when I'm taken there. You don't know anything about anything, do you? What do you have? Nothing. That useless bitch Snow White and a broken fucking mirror. Oh!
The next thing you say better be something useful.
It doesn't matter what you fucking do. You're not gonna get him. You wanna knock on his fucking door and see what happens? Fine. Crane had the mirror. Bloody Mary had Crane. So take your fucking wrecking crew act to the butcher shop.
The cut above. If I can find the mirror piece there, I can find the Crooked Man.
That's her spot. That's where all the magic happens. Now leave me, so I can find some aspirin.
You better not be fucking with me, or I'll come back here and finish the job.
You got what you want. Now get the fuck out of here.
Danke, Woody.
Hey, Sheriff. Those girls are still dead. Oh, and there's nothing you can do to bring them back. And I don't know what they did, but I do know this. Oh, if they're dead, it's because the Crooked Man wanted them dead. That's all it takes. So you can raw smash the place up. Shit. You can wail on me all you want, but what good is it gonna do you? 'Cause he ain't in your town. You're in his. And he sure as shit is ready for you.
Out of smoke?
Gib ihm Annie. Ey, echt jetzt. Gib ihm Annie. Angelutscht die sogar, nicht schlecht. Ja, hoffentlich hat er sie. Ja.
Thanks. Shitty brand.
You're welcome.
I'm not gonna lie. I was having trouble deciding which one of you to hit with this thing.
Finde ich aber gut, dass du nicht auf mich gehauen hast. Guter Schlag übrigens.
Jersey was wrong, you know.
About what?
About those girls. There is something we can do about it. We can get the fucker who did it. Ain't that the plan?
Yeah, you're damn right it is.
All right, we'll go do it then.
Moment, das ist direkt neben der Chip Trap Bar? Oder wie? Was war das so gerade?
Hey, Woody.
Yeah?
I'll see you around, all right?
Yeah. I'll see ya.
Da rennt halt einfach ein Typ rum mit einer riesigen Axt auf der Schulter. Das ist ein Taxifahrer, sei jetzt nicht ein bisschen arisch hoch hingestellt oder ist der 3 Meter groß? So, The Cut Above, Metzgerei, Tubman Street, später nachmittags. So, das ist also der Bloody Mary ihr Lade oder was? Fangt ja schon mal gut an. Ja, muss ja gucken, ob die Bloody Mary da ist. So. Dann würde ich mal sagen, morgen machen wir da weiter. Gucken wir uns mal ein bisschen um bei der Bloody Mary, was es so hat. Außer Long Island Ducks und Fancy Geese. Aller gut. Ja. Krasse Folge halt. Muss man echt mal verarbeiten hier. Hopp, morgen geht's weiter, ihr Leid. Tschö. Achso, wann er wolle. Wir gucken jetzt gleich noch die Märchenbuchfolge an, wo ein bisschen mehr Infos über die Leid ist, wann er wolle. Gucken euch auch das Video, war nicht, schaltet trotzdem mal wieder in. Tschö.